Dubai, a hub of limitless business opportunities and a haven for the food and beverage industry, renowned for its entrepreneurial spirit. BNI Business Network International is a global networking organization that helps businesses grow through structured, word-of-mouth referrals. Recently, BNI invited the directors of AKB and Company, representing the esteemed brands EKTA and Madio, to showcase their expertise. Mr. Murtaza, the visionary CEO of AKB and Co. He highlighted how one can start a beverage factory with minimal investment.
From Jalgaon, Maharashtra, we are close to Mumbai basically, and we are into manufacturing business of machinery for soft drink and also providing the formulation for that. So basically, when you think about soft drink, everyone has their own taste, everyone has their own preferences. So you have your local preferences, like people from India, they love jeera, then they love pudina masala, all different kind of masala and all kind of beverages. So when you think about startup, one thing which comes in your mind is food. When you think about opening or something new business, you think about food and beverages, and we can provide you exactly the beverages, the formulation, as well as the machinery. So everything you get under one roof. You can contact us and on YouTube. We have a channel on YouTube that is AKB Machines. So you get more information. You can just go to our channel and you can get more knowledge about the machines. And the one important thing I'll tell you is that in a very small investment, you can establish a very good brand, and that is what it's all about. Okay, thank you so much.
EKTA machines offer world-class quality solutions for beverages. These machines and formulations have gained global acclaim, shipping to regions like Africa, Southeast Asia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, America, Malaysia, Europe, and the Middle East. With a strong focus on startups and small businesses, EKTA provides entrepreneurs with the tools to create high-quality products rivaling brands like Coca-Cola and Pepsi at a fraction of the cost. Their turnkey solutions include not only machinery, but also guidance in production, costing, branding, marketing, and even paperwork, making it a one-stop shop for budding entrepreneurs. African customers are especially thrilled with EKTA's delicious flavors.
तो आपकी machine बहुत बढ़िया है. The finishing, everything is very good, and the quality is very good.
Said very good.
Okay, thank you.
He's
What about
satisfied
you?
with it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, they are wonderful.
O cheiro é incrível. A fórmula está mesmo na ponta. O sabor é impecável. Encontramos nosso mercado aqui. Bonito.
EKTA's 12-head semi-automatic soft drink plant, equipped with a counter-pressure filling system, mimics the quality of Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Their range extends from small-scale to high-speed filling lines, suitable for liquids, juices, water, cold-pressed oils, detergents, syrups, and more. Their affordable batch coding machines can print batch codes, prices, and even logos either manually or automatically using a conveyor belt. At AKB & Co., the commitment to quality, affordability, and innovation drives their mission to empower entrepreneurs across the globe. From Dubai to Africa and beyond, transforming the food and beverage industry one machine at a time, with a vast range of filling, sealing, packaging, coating, juicing, and pulping machines ready in their showroom. EKTA formulations have become world famous for their irresistible taste, offering flavors ranging from blueberry, strawberry, lemon, lime, mango, lychee, pineapple, guava, and mixed fruit to Indian spice blends like jeera masala, pudina masala, and ginger lime. EKTA ensures immediate availability for customers. Their shrink label and web sealer machines cater to the beverage and bulk packaging industries. Discover more about EKTA's innovative solutions on their YouTube channel, AKB Machines, and take the first step toward your entrepreneurial journey.